Units for length, mass and volume. Let's learn units for length measurement. We use units such as kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter to measure distance. For measurements of longer distances, such as measurement of distance between two cities, we use the larger unit called kilometer. For smaller distances, such as distance between two poles on the ground, we need a smaller unit. For that, we have made 1000 parts of 1 kilometer, where each part is called a meter. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. We also use meter to measure length of house, length of a pipe, etc. For measuring distances such as length of a pencil, the kilometer or the meter will be two large units. We need smaller unit for this purpose. So we divide a meter in 100 parts and call each part as a centimeter. Have you ever tried to measure the thickness of your notebook? Sometimes the notebook is too thin to be measured in 1 centimeter. So again we need even smaller unit. We do so by dividing a centimeter in 10 equal parts and call each part as a millimeter. So 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. In short, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. And 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. Units for mass measurement. We use units such as kilogram, gram and milligram for mass measurement. For larger amount of commodity, we use kilogram. For smaller measurements, we divide kilogram into 1000 parts and call each part as a gram. So 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. Similarly, for even smaller measurements like measurement of substance in laboratory, we use even smaller unit called milligram, where 1 gram equals to 1000 milligram. 1000 milligrams is equals to 1 gram and 1000 grams is equals to 1 kilogram. Units for capacity and volume measurement. For measuring liquids such as milk, we use unit called liter. For smaller measurements, we use milliliters, where 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter.
Units of measurement. Length. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. 1000 meter equals 1 kilometer. Weight. 1000 milligrams equals 1 gram. 1000 gram equals 1 kilogram. Capacity. 1000 milliliters equals 1 liter. 1 deciliter equals 10 liters. Volume. Whole equals 1. Half equals 1 by 2. 3/4 equals 3 by 4. Quarter equals 1 by 4. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 day equals 24 hours. Weights example. Convert 14.8 kilograms into grams. Solution. 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. 14.8 kilograms equals 14.8 into 1000 equals 14,800 gram. Convert 4,350 grams into kilograms. Solution: 1000 gram equals 1 kilogram. 4,350 gram equals 4,350 over 1000 equals 4.35 kilograms. Metric rulers example. Convert
1360
centimeters into meters. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter.
1360
centimeters equals 3060 over 100 equals 13.6 meter. Liters. Conversion of liters into milliliters. To convert liters into milliliters, multiply liters by 1000. How many milliliters are there in 7 liters? Solution: 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. 7 liters equals 7 into 1000 equals 7000 milliliters. How many milliliters are there in 8 liters? 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. 8 liters equals 8 into 1000 milliliters equals 8000. Conversion of milliliters into liters. To convert milliliters into liters, divide milliliters by 1000. Convert 5000 milliliters into liters. 1000 milliliters equals 1 liter. 1 milliliter equals 1 by 1000. So 5000 milliliters equals 1 by 1000 into 5000 equals 5 liters. Find the combined length of 2 ladders. One is 7.28 meters long and the other is 13.50 meters long. Combined length of 2 ladders equals 7.28 meters plus 13.50 meters equals 20.78 meters.